Hi friends and welcome to Quiz Minder. Today's challenge, guess the flag of country. Multiple choices questions. We prepare 50 questions and you have answer within 8 seconds. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Guess this flag. Correct A. Canada. Guess the number 2. Correct B. Australia. Guess the number 3. Correct C. Japan. Guess this flag. Correct B. Germany. Can you guess this flag? This is the easy one. United States. Do you know this flag? India. Now which flag is? United Kingdom. Guess this flag. Russia. Can you guess this flag? Brazil. Do you know this flag? Mexico. Now which flag is? Spain. Guess this flag. France. Can you guess this flag? South Korea. Do you know this flag? Italy. Now which flag is? Argentina. Guess this flag. South Africa. Can you guess this flag? Saudi Arabia. Do you know this flag? New Zealand. Now which flag is? Portugal. Guess this flag. Netherlands. Can you guess this flag? Turkey. Do you know this flag? Norway. Now which flag is? Denmark. Guess this flag. Singapore. Can you guess this flag? Sweden. Do you know this flag? China. Now which flag is? Philippines. Guess this flag. Thailand. Can you guess this flag? Austria. Do you know this flag? Malaysia. Now which flag is? Vietnam. Guess this flag. Pakistan. Can you guess this flag? Greece. Do you know this flag? Bangladesh. Now which flag is? Czech Republic. Guess this flag. Romania. Can you guess this flag? Croatia. Do you know this flag? Belgium. Now which flag is? Hungary. Guess this flag. Finland. Can you guess this flag? Bulgaria. Do you know this flag? Colombia. Now which flag is? Peru. Guess this flag. Egypt. Can you guess this flag? Cambodia. Do you know this flag? Indonesia. Now which flag is? Ireland. Guess this flag. Israel. Can you guess this flag? Ukraine. Do you know this flag? Kenya.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Quizminder channel for more fun challenges like this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.